So, today we are putting hood pins on the 240. More skids is still here, but I'm going to get started with this because they've kind of got everything else handled in the garage. I'm trying to focus a little more on the 240 because we're, like really behind schedule on it. So I got these little dudes made for the hood pins because we ran into an issue where the hood pins actually come down right around here, and if you lift the hood up, you see there's a blow-off valve right about there. So I needed to make some sort of bracket that was going to be really slim but still be able to hold the pin as well. So the hood pins came with these little washer dudes on them. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to weld these washers onto the ends of these little U's, and then we're going to drill some holes under the headlight bracket, and so it'll be able to be adjusted before we weld the whole thing in place. Alright, so I just went on the TIG welder, gave those guys kind of a fuse, nothing too special, nothing great looking, but this is going to be nice and solid. It's going to hold the hood real good. Alright, so it's been a few days. When we were filming last on this car, Quentin and DJ were still here, but it's been a bit. And Sam Squinch painted the core support and the bracket for the intercooler, and then this new brace that I made.
So we're back at it again. We've got headlights with the little doodad on them for the LED lights, and we cleaned them up a little bit. Decided after, kind of working on the 8.6 for a little bit that we could do a better job and kind of re-prep them, and I think we're going to paint them I know we're going to paint them the metallic black like the rest of the engine bay. And then the core support with the new stuff on it, the little reinforcements for the intercooler, and then just a kind of anti-wobble guy right there, I don't know what you want to call it. And then Jonas's hood extensions, we're just going to get those coated in the same metallic black that we made everything else under the hood. So I'm just going to shoot that real quick and go to bed because it's getting a little late. Well, we got them. I'll turn around here a little bit and try to get some light on these things, but they should be looking pretty good. I think these hood hinges are my favorite for whatever reason. It's kind of cool with the little extensions on the bottom. It came out all right.
We bolted it all in for the first time, and you can see how freaking solid it is. You can see how absolutely solid the car is. It's just like it's not moving anywhere. So that's good. But since these are still made out of like wire and stuff, in a front end collision, all this will still like crumple as it should. Because this car is gonna be street driven more than it's like actually drifted at a track, I still want it to crumple if someone hits me. I don't really want to die. So yeah, I've got the holes drilled for the hood pin little dudes, and I've got them sitting in here, and Schwab helped me mark them out on both sides. And so now I'm gonna get the MIG welder set up, and then I'm gonna tack these guys in place, and then we'll test fit the hood pins and see if they actually are like in the right position. Sam Squinch also painted the headlight brackets with this super sparkly
nice black.
Oh
damn, that.
Yeah,
no, some sparkle.
It's ridiculous. It matches the engine bay.
Black on black.
Black on black. Everything's black.
Black on purple on black. On chrome on gray on black on black. Alright, so we're welding those Johnnies on.
Yep, we're gonna weld the little tabs on for the hood pins, and hopefully our little markers tab dudes are correct. It's okay, it's gonna work out fine.
This is a little tight. Might need to do a little circ.
No, it needs to be adjusted up more.
Ah.
We've got everything in place. It's looking good. The hood, they go down, they latch, they catch, they come up, and they uncatch.
Hey, that's all you need.
That's all you need. So we're gonna get these guys welded in place nice.
More welding.
World.
Hitting them fumes, bro. Puppy nugget.
That's not gonna fly off, you know?
Yeah. See, that's what I was saying. I was like, you probably don't need that. Like, just in there, it'll be fine.
Like, that's not gonna,
and like adding that, like you block that space a bit. And
that's not gonna fly away.
yeah, see, you'll
like
be
this
fine. You're not gonna pull a hurt.
Right, I just welded that.
Yeah.
Like, this isn't gonna go anywhere, you know?
No, it's still a little. Oh no, it's fine.
It's
man.
a little flim-dimsy, but like
it's gonna rip.
it would
that.
be super strong if
Yeah.
it was connected to here, though. It is true.
I don't know,
Like,
but
if
I feel
it was
like
connected from here to here,
Yeah.
there would be none of that.
I feel like you'd notice pretty
But
quick.
like, this is not like your head's
It's not bad.
Your head's never.
Yeah, you're set.
Try to adjust those dudes. Oh, I did this backwards for sure.
Oh well.
Needs to be twisted a bit. This one needs to be twisted a bit too. You know, it'd help a lot if the like actual latches were like latched to the hood.
Yeah.
But
yes and no.
they're in, and they're latch detachable
Yeah.
with a little more finagling. But we need to paint those pieces anyway. And it's done, which is nice. And we're pretty sure that the hood's not gonna fly off.
Yeah, except for that.
Providing that these are down and everything's
Yeah.
attached.
But even that, it was just like, nah, I don't want to come up.
We're arrow latch catch datched up.
Yeah, we're all latched up, man.
So we have to put the radiator hose in, the intercooler pipes and the intercooler on. And then we can call Mark. Mark!
We're in a panic.
We're in a panic.
Alright, so we got that on. Pretty simple, just 2 bolts. If you didn't know. Now we're struggling with this baby.
Yeah.
Got this snake going on in there. And it's real tight and it flexes in the ways it doesn't really want it, but you know, we're making it work.
Oh, it's gonna work. It fits up really well when you get everything twisted how it's supposed to be. I just tightened it, thinking I had it the right way, but I did not.
So we gotta do a little Rubik's Cube then.
Yeah.
Alright, what's up guys? I'm at the garage now and it's Tuesday, and as you know, shit always happens on Tuesday. What's happening, Jonas?
Currently we are fitting up the last bits of intercooler piping, trying to get them in and fit up, like get the blow off valve fit up around the new hood pin dealios.
Ooh,
So
those look fresh as frick, my boy.
so yeah, it's a little funky. We're just fitting a lot in the engine bay. So we're just twisting stuff around right now. Alright, so finally got the engine bay all put together. It's looking pretty good. Hopefully not wiping blood on my face. But yeah, nah, it's pretty spicy. We got the intercooler piping all in there. All the clamps are in their places. Everything is lining up good. Everything's gonna fit nice. All the clamps have a good hold on intercooler pipes, so I'm not too worried about them popping off anywhere, which is nice. I've got a, you know, it's starting to look like a motor, which is sick. I do have to put the radiator hose that goes from the water neck to the radiator in, but other than that, like, she's all donezo. I know you guys have seen this shit before, but like, it's all painted now. It's all pretty. We've got our hood pin set up. It's like pretty much there, other than the few wiring things that we need to get worked out. So I need to get the car in the air now, which is something I've been avoiding for like a week, and I need to do a few things. I need to take a picture of the transmission cross member, because Mark said that maybe they might have a different one for me, so I could push the motor back another few inches, which would be great for weight distribution and fan clearancing. I'm gonna work to get this thing in the air and then do stuff. On this for the past couple of hours because front fitment has been an issue on this car. Schwab, could you hold that camera?
Yeah, I got you.
And we finally got it adjusted so that the wheel can go all the way over without any issues, and it can still go back without any issues. So things are coming together. I do have to do a little bit of trimming or shimming, I guess, on the other side to get it to work correctly, but we'll get that done in the next video. It's Tuesday night, so I'm gonna edit this and upload it for you guys tomorrow. And yeah, we got a lot done in this video. We got the hood pins finally in and working right. We got all of the intercooler piping fixed and fitted to the car, so that's all fitted up nicely as it should be and as it will be, and it's basically ready to go other than the upper radiator hose. Sam Squanch has the body kit in the other garage and he's trying to get it prepped for paint. Yeah, I'm gonna get the exhaust done up tomorrow as well, which will be cool, and gonna get the wheel wells all fit and finished. And hopefully we'll get this bad boy on the ground and good to go. Maybe even have Mark come on over and do his thing. So yeah, slowly chipping away at the list. We'll get her done soon.
Nice.
Dude, I'm so hype about these boom tubes.